Hello, dear professor and my group mates. Today we're going to discuss the topic. The random walk theory implies that events are random, but many events are not random. If it rains today, there is a fair bet that it will rain again tomorrow. We will delve into the random walk theory and explore its implications for understanding everyday events. So let's start about the random walk theory. So what is a random walk theory is? It is a fundamental concept in statistics and probability theory, and it suggests that events unfold in purely random manner, independent of past outcomes. However, when we apply this theory to everyday life, we see that many events exhibit patterns and dependency that challenge the assumption of complete randomness. The random walk theory, widely used in financial modeling too, asserts that future prices or events cannot be predicted based on the past prices or events. In other words, it suggests that each step or event is entirely independent of the previous ones, akin to random walk. But is this always true? So let's consider the example of the patterns, particularly rainfall. While the random walk theory implies that rain is purely random event, empirical evidence shows otherwise. In many regions, we have rain seasons and dry spells, where the likelihood of rainfall significantly varies. This illustrates that rain isn't entirely random, but is influenced by larger weather patterns like seasonal changes and atmospheric conditions. For instance, if it rains today in a particular region, there is often a fair probability that it will rain again tomorrow or in the near future. So this persistence in weather patterns is attributed to atmospheric conditions, such as the movement of air masses and the presence of moisture, which create a degree of predictability. So, moreover, meteorologists make reasonable accurate weather forecasts by analyzing historical data. So if rainfall were truly random, such predictions would be impossible. The reliability of weather forecasts underscores the existence of patterns and dependencies in weather events. So um, let's move beyond the weather. We can find that numerous fields, including economic and finance, often demonstrate elements of predictability too. So stock market trends, for instance, frequently follow patterns over time, which analysts and traders use to make informed investment decisions. Similarly, sociological studies have shown that human behavior influenced by various factors often follows patterns and trends that can be modeled and predicted to some extent. So in conclusion, I want to add that the random walk theory, though valuable in certain contexts, has limitations when applied to everyday events like weather patterns. The example of rainfall demonstrates that many events are influenced by various factors and past occurrences. Unless we consider events that are highly improbable and have high impact, which refers to the black swan theory, as we know, and which introduced by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. So, as we navigate life, let us acknowledge that while some events may seem random, they often follow patterns or are influenced by past occurrences. At the same time, let's remain careful of those rare, impactful black swan events that remind us of the unpredictable nature of the world. So, thank you for your attention. I hope we discussed shortly but deeply about the random walk theory.